Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? What I'm going to do, as the title shows, a quick unboxing, and it is going to be of a Coach. And Coaches are great bags. For one thing, they're very durable, and also they're very affordable. They're usually under $300, and if you go to Coach Outlet, which is what I often do and did in this case, you can get it for under $200, and they're really good handbags. So here's the thing. I got it out of the box already. I haven't seen it yet, but this looks awfully small. I thought it was going to be a little bigger. But this style, I have a Brahmin that's the same shape, sort of, and it's bigger. And so maybe this is a good size. So let's just get right to it. Can't wait to see. It's just a very, you can carry it every day kind of a bag. It's their Coach, what just fell? Oh, you also get a little sample. And so this little sample, this is pretty. It's like a little box of a perfume mini, and it's got glitter on the box, so it automatically wins in my book. It's called Coach Dreams Sunset. This box is pretty, y'all. Yeah, it's a mini. It's not the little tube kind, but it's a small one. That's very fresh, a good daily. This would be perfect to keep in there. As long as the stopper's good, we'll check that. But that would be a good purse size to keep in a purse like that, because it smells like a very fresh daily smell. Okay, so this is the it's a signature WLW Tote 24. It's the Tote 24, and it's in the Coach signature. I don't think this is leather. Now I know that the trim is leather, and there's the Coach tag, and it's in tan and rust. So let's just open this. And I can tell you, I'm going to keep it. It's just, it was too good of a deal. I got it at Coach Outlet. And let's just get this off the top, so you can see the little handles. These usually come off pretty easy. There we go. They did give a lot of care. Oh, it's just kind of a cute little bag, but it's big enough. I think you could put a lot in it. We're gonna see, aren't we? Oh my gosh, y'all, they have it so carefully packaged. What is that? Oh, that must be the, yeah, that's the strap. Let's go ahead and snip that off. They have to snip them on there because people shoplift just the strap. I guess because they don't have a strap, so they shoplift the strap. And so they've gotten to where they're being real funny about tagging it to the purse. That, or somebody likes another strap better. Oh, good. They did the alternate color instead of signature. They did the leather, the tan or rust, as they're calling it. Tan rust leather. And of course, always attach it where they have got the built-in loops. If you just attach it on anything else, y'all, it will rip the bag. So always use the loops. And the reason is because they will reinforce the loops if they're a good company. And I have to say, hold on. There we go. We get all these little, oh my gosh, there's so many little protectors, but I guess that's good. Oh, this won't open because look. So one of the things is you can put your wallet in this front part because it's got a little closure, and it keeps that tight. So that's a good place to put that. And it's all got all these little things to protect it. So they did, this is Outlet, but I gotta tell y'all, they did a good job of hold on. Remember, when you get these, hold them over the toilet and break them open. These are dangerous. You don't want to leave them around. So that's one of the first things. So this is an interesting little bag. First of all, I'm putting it to the size of my head so that you can kind of see the size. And I think this is definitely a keeper for an everyday bag. What do y'all think? So again, you can put your wallet down in this front, and then you could just close it. Because the key is, oh, there's another one of those things. I don't want a lot in this. I'm trying to downsize when I do a little daily wallet. And just period. So this closure is magnetic. So it's got two good closures. These are not rolled handles, but they are puffed on the top. It's flat on the bottom. So it's good just to hold, you know, over your arm or just to grab and throw in the car. But it's also a good crossbody. Let me show y'all about where it fits. Perfect. It fits right on my hip. Or if I don't want to do crossbody. Crossbody is good when you're trying to carry a bunch of stuff so it doesn't slide off your shoulder. Most times I just throw it on my shoulder like that. And look, it's right there at the hip, right where I want it. Okay, I did purchase one little extra thing. Where is it? Oh, here it is. So it came in this. I wanted to have a little size wallet, like just a little card case wallet. And so, okay, sorry, I had to check that. And this was also on sale from $95 to $65. Matter of fact, I think I got it lower than that. I think that's just what's on this. Take that off. Take the little, I think it's got the little leather pull instead of a gold pull. It does. It's a little leather pull. Again, this is very casual. That's why you got the leather and the brass, you know, the antiqued brass. It just looks a little more, gosh, they've got so many little stuffings and everything. And of course, you know, you want to make sure it's authentic, so they are putting in all the cards that show that it's authentic Coach. Wear it, love it, pass it on. And of course, they want you to social media it. Oh, I am. Y'all are my social media. What's that? Oh, this is what I liked about it. I can hook this on this loop that holds the strap. I can also hook that there and let it hang on the inside so it's easy to get to and it ain't going nowhere. But what I liked about this particular one and why I picked it, for one thing, it matched. You know, it's the same, it's the signature. Also, it's got the ID side where I can just send my driver's license, and I always put my driver's license and health card there. And then on the inside, I will put who knows what, you know, I will come up with things. But I can fold up my vaccine card. I could put a credit card. Actually, take that back. There's a place here to put your credit card. So not just your health card and your license, but I'll usually put behind my license, I slide my insurance, car insurance. But there's for my credit card, and that's all I need. I don't want all my cards or all my other stuff with me. I may keep a stamp and a return address thing in there, and maybe a tooth flosser, because I often will need that. And maybe one wipe of the for glasses, because that would all fit. I don't use change anymore, and so this is not going to be for change in here. So that is what I got, y'all. What do y'all think? I think it's really cute. I think this is a keeper. Y'all comment below. Would you keep this one? And this, I might go back and check the price on this. This would also be a really good gift for a teenager. Just for an everyday bag for them to carry to school or high school or college. When they go into college. Now, usually when they get in college, they want to have their first fancy noodle bag, high-end bag, so that they can kind of show it off in college. But this is a good everyday bag. I love that it's a tote. It's easy to get in and out of. It's zipper topped. Oh, I didn't even look at that. Oh, and one thing I didn't show you is the interior is burgundy. And, let me undo that. Where is it? There is the serial number square in there. I don't know if y'all can see that. And then the zipper. Let's open the zipper. There are no pouches, like side pouches for your cell phone. And there is not a zipper in here. You literally just drop your cell phone in there. What you can do, what I would do, maybe is put a few makeup items in here. I would probably have the, I was going to say you can slide your cell phone in there, but I like the cell phone just to grab. And this would be things I'd zip up. So, you know, maybe that's where you, I was going to say you put your wallet, but I got this little wallet and it's going to be attached right there. So that'll be right inside there. And that's where I guess that'd be a good place to put my cell phone too. I don't know. Maybe I'll put it on this side. What do you think? Anyway, lots of things to figure out. And I'm actually excited. I am going to keep a little perfume in there because it's always always nice to have a perfume, but you got to make sure, there it is. You got to make sure it's got the little stopper so that it does not leak. And then I still will probably have a little mini makeup pouch that I'll put in here that will just have my lipstick, a little perfume, liner, and blush, because that's just kind of the basics. I may put for powder, but I've gotten aware as I get older, I want a little bit of a sheen. It makes you look younger. And then, of course, it does have to have its little Coach bag tag, and I'm liking that they're keeping that. Some of them don't have it anymore, and this is a signature Coach thing. The little, you know, it's just an old-fashioned dog tag looking thing where you've got that little beaded chain, and it does say Coach on that little beaded catch thing. And this is Coach New York. It doesn't have the picture of the carriage. It's just an older Coach. Look, it's just kind of a very, very casual bag. Anyway, I think I love it. I think my cell phone will go very nicely right in there. And just, that's how I want this one. And I have this older, because it's signature as well, and I may tie that around it. I think I will. I need to trim it because it's got a fuzz. But that might make it just a little more fun. It's just to tie that around it. Maybe on the front side, like that. What do y'all think? Would you bother doing that? I think it might be cute. Give it a little more style. Anyway, I just thought I'd share that with y'all. I think I'm feeling like I'm going to keep it. What do y'all think? Let me know. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye! Bye, 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 bye! Is it going to cut off? And it does. Bye, 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 bye.